Owner Summary Report. The final report found in the new online reporting platform is a streamlined version of the Owner Summary Report. This first tab is a high-level snapshot. As you move down through the report, you find increasingly detailed analysis. When you first access your Owner Summary Report, you'll see a breakdown of your location's trending as well as the current month's standing. You'll also find bookable prospect percentage, appointment conversion rate, and missed opportunities. These data points are available for the prior 6 months, allowing you to compare performance data over time. You will also find the number of bookable prospects, your current month-to-yesterday conversion rate, the number of appointments set, the 6-month conversion rate trending, current month's conversion rate, and the number of missed opportunities and missed opportunity percentage. Red Flags and Kudos. Your red flags and kudos are displayed here on the front page. This snapshot view shows you items that need attention. More detail can be found in the Flags and Kudos tab. Red flag. A red flag is not necessarily a negative indicator, but it is something that requires attention and additional analysis. It could indicate a poorly performing ad source or employee. Any data above or below industry standards will be called to your attention here. Weighted score. In the middle of the report, you find a weighted score. This is a proprietary indicator that we obtain from several data points. We look at your trending conversion rate as well as your prospect percentage and missed opportunities. We factored these data points and assign a monthly score. Also provided is the value of your missed opportunities based on industry averages. Call trending. Call trending provides you with a sales funnel. You can see the month's inbound sales cycle from the initial inbound calls through to the appointments. Note your peak times and days for inbound prospect calls. The chart to the right indicates calls by time of day. In blue, you see appointments set versus missed opportunities in red. That information is also provided for average calls by day. From here, you can see those times of the day when your office fails to book appointments. This is another opportunity to see the patterns and trends in your call management process, adjust staffing, and provide phone handling coaching. Marketing Appointments tab. The Marketing Appointments tab provides marketing and lead conversion rate details. The bookable prospect percentage is your monthly prospect percentage. Looking at the processed inbound calls, you see the number of sales, service, and parts calls. The conversion breakdown shows your conversion rate for the month in the blue circle and lists booked appointments. Total bookable prospects and appointments. Moving down through the report, you find total bookable prospects and appointments. This chart shows month-over-month data for up to 13 months, including the total number of inbound prospect calls for the month and number of appointments booked. A 13-month trending chart is a good resource for insight into seasonality. As more data comes into the system, you'll be able to use this information to adapt for busy season. Here we are looking at an analysis of your marketing performance broken down by ad source. You'll know every month, by ad source, the number of inbound prospect calls generated, prospect percentage, number of appointments set, and the conversion rate. After 6 months of data, you can compare the current month's performance to the 6-month average for any ad source. This report can be arranged by employee. If you'd like an employee view, use this drop-down menu to see, by employee, how many prospect phone calls each took, their prospect percentages, number of appointments set, and their individual conversion rate. After 6 months, you can compare the current month with the individual 6-month average. This is a useful tool for call coaching your phone handlers. You can track their progress during the current month and watch their performance over the past 6 months. 13-month trending. The last data point is your 13-month trending. The default view here is by appointments, allowing you to see month over month how many appointments were booked for sales, service, or parts. This report is completely customizable. Click any of these data labels to adapt the chart. Use this data to look at numbers of appointments or change the view to prospect phone calls month over month to analyze how many total inbound prospects were for sales, service, or parts. Flags and Kudos. The last tab within your Owner Summary Report is your Flags and Kudos. This is a detailed look at the snapshot we saw earlier. If there are particular ad sources with low leads or no call volume, you will find that information there. This is where you will see any negative indicators. You're alerted if any of your published marketing campaigns are not receiving any leads or have low call volume. That's something you need to know and pay attention to. We're going to tell you that right here. And when an ad source or employee performed well in a particular month, we're going to call your attention to that too. You want to know what was done right and what's working so you can repeat it.